says more missing children were also found. India's Paralympians, chess champions, showed us the way forward, making us proud. Even as India's growth rate remained grim, globally, Donald Trump is back again as President of the United States of America. Thailand has legalized same-sex marriages. Syria fell. South Korea survived the test of democracy. And a lot happened. But here's to the start of 2025 on an optimistic note. We will talk about our New Year resolutions today. What is on minds, what is on our minds even as we brace ourselves for yet another year of trumping over struggles together. We have Maganpreet Kaur, who is a lifestyle influencer. Maganpreet, when we talk about important things on people's mind, mental health seems to be a very important, area of concern. Of course, self-care. As a digital influencer, what are your views when it comes to use of social media, and also taking care of oneself, specifically when it comes to one's own mental health?
I've seen that recently one of my co-influencer only, she went on with the suicide attempt. So there are certain things which you have to take care while you are creating out content. The main thing is that whenever you are creating out content, you should keep in mind that you have someone to share out all your problems and all your deeds and all the obstacles that you follow, whether it's in the shooting part or whether it's with your peer workers or whether it's with all the people whom you are gearing up with. You should have someone in life to share up all your things and all your day-to-day activities with that person, even if that's the mental pressure. Like, for example, if you are shooting out something, so obviously there is time limitations that you have to follow up, that you have to finish up the content at this particular level. So that's the main thing, that you should follow up that thing, and you should have someone to gear up you. You should have your audience. Main thing is that your audience are the biggest support that you have, and they are the one who always support you. They are the one who always motivate you, that if no one is there, your audiences and your family members are there to always support you, that yes, you're creating out something that's amazing. I was an engineering student, and after that, I changed out my field to this particular way. So I was like that, going from engineering journey and coming up as a content creation. I started up as a fashion influencer.
Right.
So there were so many people saying me that this is not the right thing where you're going up. But now I am proving them wrong, that this is what I have done. This is what I have achieved.
Right.
So that's the main thing.
Okay, on Maganpreet Kaur, what do you think? Being practical, being out there, experiencing the world is so much more important. But for a social media influencer, because the pressure is also on you to create relevant content, tell us what your resolutions look like for 2025.
There are so many brands that comes up on your way. So it's like indulging in more luxurious based brands and taking that thing to that level. I just want to make my name to that thing where people my name. So that's my New Year resolution, where people get into my name. Even after listening it, they are like that, yes, she is that lifestyle influencer that has come up. So I just want to make my name come up to that point of time where when luxurious influencers are taken into name, so they know that that's my name.
Marwa, I was going through your profile as